Good morning, student. Today we will read about the modifications in stem. Okay, so stem develops from the plumule of the embryo of a germinating seed. From the plumule part, if we discuss about the cotyledonary part, from the radicle or from the plumule. So stem develops from the plumule or root develop from the radicle. This thing we have discussed already. So here we will see that how the stem show modifications. Clear? Means in a aerial form how it show, in underground form how it show. Okay, in a different part how it show modifications of stem. Clear? So here you can see stem bears nodes and internode part. If we discuss about the stem, this is suppose the stem part, from here, from the radical roots developed. So this is known as the node part, and these two are known as the internode part. Okay, so the region of the stem where leaves are born are called nodes, and from where the portion between two nodes is known as the internode. You can see here the leaves can arise from this part, okay, from the nodal part, and between of two nodes, this is also a node part, between of these two nodes, this portion is known as the internode. Okay, you can just observe this thing in maize, in sugar cane also. You can observe this thing, that where is the node part and where is the internode part. Maybe in your previous classes you have read about this thing. Okay, but if you don't know, you can observe it in your surroundings also. So what is the main function of a stem? The main function of a stem is it from stem only branches emerge out, and on the branches leaves are there, flowers are there, and fruits are there. Okay, so only stem can contain leaves, flowers, and fruits. That is the main function of stem. Clear? And it conduct water, minerals, and photosynthesis process also. Means these through roots, stem only absorb water, and it provide this water and minerals to the leaves, and in leaves photosynthesis process will take place. Clear? That thing you know very well. In your previous classes you just read about it. What is the stem system, what is the shoot system, what is the root system. In shoot system, stem is a very important part. And what is the mechanical function of stem? Stem stores food also, it support, protect, and sometime it show vegetative propagation also. So this is about the stem. Clear? So what are the forms of stem? Basically two forms of stems are there. First one is columnar, and second one type is culum. Okay, in this it is unbranched, erect, and cylindrical stem. You can see it in palm and coconut. Have you seen the tree of coconut? Coconut tree is very straight, unbranched, no branching is there, cylindrical type of. Clear? And they are having leaves at their tip only. Okay, so such type of stem is known as the columnar, or sometime we use one more word for this type of stem is caudex. Okay, and second type of it, column, that is of joint stem with solid nodes and hollow internode like bamboo. If you have seen bamboo, in bamboo also it is very clear, nodes and internode part is very clear. That thing also you have observed. Okay, so this is the solid nodes and hollow internode, we can observe that, and these are the main two types of stem. Clear? Means on the according to appearance and all, just common type of two stems I have explained. Now I am going to tell you about the modifications of stem. Clear? What are the modification, how a stem has modified itself in a different climatic conditions, and for the survival how a stem has modified. Okay, so first one type of modification, at this is of the subaerial modification of stem. Subaerial modification means subaerial modification. Subaerial modification of stem, and these are the creeping stems. What are they? Creeping. Creeping means होता है जो रेंगते हैं. Okay, so they are creepers. Creepers generally grow along with the soil, soil and all. Clear? They are just runners type. Okay, so first one modification is of runner. That thing I am going to explain you. Okay, you can see here runner you have seen in doob ghas. Okay, doob ghas, those who are having doob ghas at your home, you can observe this thing. This is a runner. Okay, runner type of stem and basically found in cynodon. Cynodon is a name of doob ghas. Okay, you can observe that stem roots develop from the lower side of the lower side and leaves roots develop from lower side and leaves develop from the upper side. Suppose if I am showing you this, you can observe it. Upper side of the stem leaves are there and downside it roots are there. Clear? So they arise from the nodal region. Suppose this is the stem of doob ghas. So this is the node region and roots arise from this area and leaves arise from the upper part of it. Clear? So you can observe this thing. Runners in doob ghas. Second type of modification in subaerial form is stolon. Okay, stolon you can see here. Stolon, many of you those who are interested in gardening and all, that time you can observe it. It is basically found in strawberry. Okay, so strawberry, the main difference between runner and stolon is you can see that in runner the stem is runs parallel to the soil, but in this case it is just curve you can observe in stem. Okay, so because of it, it's known as the stolon. In it, branches develop from the lower part of the main stem. This is, you can see, lower part of the main stem. It develop and grow from some distance like arc. You can see here one arc is there, that's why it's known as the stolon. Otherwise, if you just compare it with runners, in runner, as I told you, they just run parallel to the soil, but they are having some arc in it. Okay, so this, what are the example of it? Example is jasmine, peppermint, strawberry. Clear? These are the example of stolon. Okay, now the third one is sucker. In suckers, you can observe that suckers are basically present in mint. Mint is also generally we grow in our gardens. So those who are having garden, you can see mint is there. Pudina. Clear? In mint also, in pineapple also, in banana also, you can observe such type of suckers are present. What happen in this? The main stem grows in the soil, but branches develop from nodes and comes out from the soil. You can see that the main stem grow in the soil and branches comes out from it. These branches. Okay, so this is the main stem and branches comes out from it, out from the soil. Okay, and the examples of suckers are mint, pineapple. These are the examples. Okay, now the last type of modification in subaerial form is offset. Clear? Offset is basically found in aquatic bodies. Offset is basic, you can see also this is found in aquatic bodies, so that's why they are known as the aquatic runner. ये एक्वेटिक एरियाज में होते हैं, जैसे सॉइल पे ग्रासेस होती हैं वैसे ही ऑफसेट पानी में होते हैं. ओके, सो दे आर हैविंग द फ्रेजाइल स्टेम. Internodes of offset are small. You can observe that internodes are very small. This is the internode part. Okay, and small and thicker, and each node bears a rosette of leaves. Rosette of leaves होता है बेटा पूरे leaves का गुच्छा होना. Rosette of leaves. Okay, and downside you can see here tufts of roots. Downside tufts of root and upside rosette of leaves, and they are basically found, as I told you, in aquatic habitat. Okay, example of it, Eichhornia. Clear? Example of offset is Eichhornia. It is C. Eichhornia. Okay, this is the example of offset. Now I am going to tell you the next type of modification of stem. This is the underground modification of stem. In first one you can see that tuber type. Okay, tuber, that is the example of potato. You all have seen at your home also. When this tuber has this sprouting, means जब आलू बीज के लिए तैयार होता है. Clear? You have observed at your home also. Those who are, as I told you, those are willing to do the gardening and all, they know very well that it show the vegetative type of propagation also, asexual type of propagation, asexual reproduction also. Okay, you can cut it in several pieces, and from where you can see that germinating eye is present, eye bud is present, germinating eye bud is present, from where you can grow new potato also, new potato plant. Clear? That is the method by which we can grow new potato plant from a single ट्यूबर पीस ऑफ पोटैटो. क्लियर? हम एक ही पोटैटो के ट्यूबर से कई सारे पोटैटो के प्लांट को जर्मिनेट कर सकते हैं. दैट थिंग यू नो इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड ऑल्सो, यू हैव ऑलरेडी रेड अबाउट इट. क्लियर? सो फ्रॉम वेयर द एक्सिलरी बर्ड्स कम्स आउट? फ्रॉम द आई ऑफ पोटैटो. Clear? And axillary buds are always covered with scaly leaves. This is the eye region. Okay, this is the eye region. From the eye region only axillary buds comes out. Basically potato tuber is present in tuber form of stem is present in potato. Okay, so that's why you know that potato, but which potato part we eat, this is not a fruit part, this is a part of stem. ये बहुत बार एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है, potato, which part of potato is edible? So the answer, the options are fruit, stem, leaf, clear, or seed. So that time your answer is stem. Clear? Now the next one example is rhizome. Rhizome, from the picture only you can observe that where you have seen it. Yes, you have seen it in ginger. Clear? Ginger we use at our home. Turmeric. Clear? So in water lily also we can see rhizome type of stem. Okay, so you can relate it with the ginger very easily. This is a fleshy stem and horizontally grow in the soil. Nodes and small nodes are found, you can see, and covered by scaly leaves. Clear? Which at your cooking time, which portion you rub, you can observe that in young ginger rhizome, you can observe that scaly leaves are there, brown color scaly leaves are present over the ginger. Okay, so this is about the rhizome. Now next pattern of modification in underground stem is corm. Corm you have seen in Jimikant. Okay, in local language we use Gaderi or Pinalu. Clear? Ghuiya. We can easily see corm in Jimikant, the saffron, okay, colocasia, alocasia. In these plants we can observe them. The condensed structure, and these grow mostly vertically under the soil surface. Clear? You can observe it, node and internodes are there, scale leaves are there. Okay, or from one only several daughter corms can be comes out, and roots, adventitious roots are present in case of corm type of stem. Okay, next one is of bulb. Bulb you can see here, in generally we see it in onion and garlic. The fleshy leaves of onion and garlic stores food, we know that. So another question can become in the examination, that which is the edible part of onion, and your answer is bulb is the edible part of. Scaly bulb is a fleshy leaves of onion which is present in bulb. It's the edible part of onion. Clear? This is a disc-like and surrounded by numerous fleshy leaves. Innermost part is the stem part of onion, and it is covered by fleshy leaves. Clear? So these are the modifications in case of underground stem. Now next one type is this. You can see here aerial modification. Clear? This is the aerial modification of stem. The first one is stem tendril. You have seen it in everywhere nowadays. This is in the winter season, in the rainy season, basically, because tendril plant grow in this particular season only. Grapevines, gourds, cucumber, pumpkins, watermelon. Okay, they all are having the tendril type of stem. This is the modification of axillary bud, forms tendril in place of branches. And what is the function of these tendril? These tendrils helps in climbing of plants which have weak stem. Okay, so nowadays we are growing bottle gourd or cucumber, these type of plants, and you observe that their stem is very delicate. So that time these tendrils help the delicate stem to stand and grow. Clear? That is the main function of these stems. Second one is stem thorn. Okay, what is the function of stem thorn? Clear? These are also developed from axillary bud of the stem and basically found in bougainvillea citrus plant. Okay, those who are having citrus plants, neebu ka ped, neebu, malta. Clear? In these type of trees we can observe that stem thorns are there. These stem thorns can bear leaves also, flowers also. Okay, so this is basically these are present for the protection of plant. Now the last one, that is very important, children, and asked in many times. What is phylloclade? Okay, this is the modification of stem in which fleshy flat part, you can see here, flat part, this is the stem part, and the scaly portion, these are the spines, and these are the spines is a modification of leaf. Okay, means stem modified and looks like leaf, that is known as the phylloclade. But leaves also modified into spines. लीफ स्पाइंस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं और जो लीफ जैसा दिखाई देता है कैक्टस में, दैट इज जनरली फाइलोक्लेट. ओके, दिस इज द फ्लैसी स्टेम. Clear? The leaves are modified into spines, as I told you. Example is euphorbia, cactus. Cactus, I think you all have seen. So in cactus, the fleshy muscular green part is not a leaf, it is stem. And what is the leaf part? Leaf is modified into spines. So I hope that much is clear. So your modification of stem is completed today, and in our next video we will discuss about the leaf, means modification in leaves.